The Git2 FPV sports camera is one of the latest and lightest high-definition camera breakthrough that caught the attention of casual photographers. Added to version 2 is the gyro chip digital image stabilization. When this feature is enabled, it allows for the camera to shift the digital images from frame to frame to minimize jerky motions. Like most digital gyro, the video images may lose some sharpness and tend to be softer on the edges, so my suggestion is limit the use, know when to use it. The Git2 manages to find room to include Wi-Fi capabilities that can be set up if you have a smartphone or tablet that supports Wi-Fi. In addition, you can connect your choice of a 3.5mm external stereo microphone. Weighing only 65 grams with a 1.5-inch LCD viewing screen, the LCD allows you to see what you are filming. At times you only get one chance on a shot, and not seeing what you are filming can be a disappointment if you missed the only shot. It is supported with a wide range of accessories that make this camera attachable to any sports equipment. As an FPV pilot, I look for AV out and Git2 is AV ready. It uses the same USB cable as a GoPro. To the left of the camera you have the microphone, positioned to the side to help reduce direct wind noise. A HDMI port for HD video out, a mini USB port that supports audio video or an external microphone adapters, and is also used for charging the battery. The front button is the power on and off button. To the right is the setting selection button, and the top button is the record and selection button. The Git2 is capable of shooting at high definition, a maximum 2160p at 24 frames per second, 1440p at 30 and 1080p at 60 frames per second. It comes packed with features such as loop recording, audio level, timestamp on and off, time-lapse, self-timer, white balance control, custom value adjustments, menu button functions, exposure values, color preferences, gyro stabilization, a wide dynamic range to capture at different contrast ratios, slow motion, sharpness, spot metering, adjustable field of view with narrow and wide angles, motion detection for auto start, and a G sensor for automatically capturing video when a vehicle is bumped. In addition, you can remotely record a video from a watch-like remote control. We did several low lighting videos and I am quite pleased with the results as shown on the Christmas Osborne family spectacle of dancing lights at Walt Disney World. I will update the links to the firmware on the description tab here. For now, let me take you on a day with the Git2 camera.
Goodbye, old friend. May the force be with you.